Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you problem based on three sets. One example I have taken here. You can go through this example. Example A, B, and C are subsets of a universal set U. If n of u is 130 is equal to 130, n of a is equal to 70, n of v equals to 55, n of c is equal to 40, and n of intersection B is equal to 20, n of V intersection C is equal to 15, n of A intersection C is equal to 18, and n of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 18. Listed this information in a Venn diagram and find the value of n of only A, n of only B, n of only C, n of only intersection B, n of only B intersection C, and n of only A intersection C, n of A, okay, n of whole complement of A union B union C. See, okay, we have to find out the answers of these all questions from using diagram. So let's see firstly how to make the Venn diagram. This is the important thing in this question. So if you know once how to draw the Venn diagram, then you can find very easily. Okay, let's move. First of all, okay, solution here, you write on the same thing, here to here, okay, data. First of all, you will write on the here data. So just I will make this Venn diagram, how to fill up all these values in a Venn diagram, then how to give the answers of this question. Okay, let's start to make the Venn diagram. Okay, for that, okay, we need one box, one rectangular box. So I've taken, and then we need, okay, three circles, three intersecting circles, one, two, and three. Okay, we little k, okay. All right, three circles are taken, so almost circular shape. And now so here we write down U. U means universal set, and this one, let's say A, and these all are the subsets of universal set U, and the B, or this one is a C. Okay, so we have here 70, n of A 70, n of B 55, n of C 40, n of A intersection B 20, n of B intersection C is equal to 15. So already I have told, okay, which one portion is for which title. So already I have made one video. If you have any problem, you can go through that video. Here we will just fill up the values. Okay, so we have to start from here. So listen to me, everybody. We will start from here. First of all, we will fill up 8, and then okay, we will go backwards 8, and then okay, we will try to fill up the 18, 15, 20, 40, 55, and 70, and finally 130 in appropriate places, right? Okay, so n of A intersection. Where is which one is the place for n of A intersection B intersections? This is the place for n of A intersection B intersection. See, let's fill up the 8 here, right? So here we write down the 8 I've taken. Now A intersection B, okay, A intersection C. Now here A intersection C, this one is A intersection C 18. So but here is it A intersection C, this one is A intersection C, this portion is A intersection C. See very carefully the area in which I am, right, taking this spotlight. This is the portion for A intersection C. 8 is already there. Total is we have 18. So So how much we need here? So okay, so this is a simple calculation. uh, so here 10 we need, okay. 10 plus 8, 18. A intersection C is 18, done. Now let's move into the B intersection C. B intersection C, this is the portion for B intersection C. This one is portion for B intersection C. This is the portion for B intersection C. It is already there. B intersection C, we have 15. So how much we need to make 15? So 7, okay. So let's write down here 7, 7. So, okay, done. Now B intersection C, so A intersection B is 20. 8 is there. So now I guess you understood. So we need here 12. All right. Now up to here you are clear. I guess you have no problem. Now 20. Now N of C is 40. N of C is 40. Now look at here. So N of C is this one circle. This is your N of C. N of C. And this one is your N of B. Like let me write down value also. This one is your N of C. This one circle N of A. And this one is your N of B. Okay. Here N of A. N of B. Sorry. C. N of C. This one is N of B. N of B. So here, so let's say, okay, here we are moving in backward direction. Up to here done. So up to here we have done. So we have filled up. Now we have to complete NOC 40. Okay, NOC is this one circle is representing NOC. Is representing NOC. It represents NOC. Let's see inside the NOC and 10, 8, okay, 18 and 7, 25. 25 already there, right? 25 total, okay. Total cardinal number of C. Set C means in set C there are 40 members, you can say 40 elements, whatever we have, okay. But there are 40, okay. 10, 8 already, and 7 are also already there. 7 members, you can say. 8 plus 10, 18, 18 plus 7, 25. So 25 are already there, right? So let's suppose, okay, R means, okay, members, anything else, okay, right? You can suppose, okay. So 25 are already there. So we have 40 members, yeah, 40 elements are there, okay. So how much we need to make 40? So, okay, 25, then 15 we need, okay, okay. So 15, as you know the calculation, 15 we need, okay. So now you can check, okay, total 15, 15, 30 plus 10, 40, done. Now say, okay. So N of B is 55. N of B, we have this one is N of B. N of B 55. Okay. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 7. 27. Okay. 27. So already right there in B. We have 55. Okay. We need, okay, how much we need? You can do calculation. So I guess we need 28, 27, 28. Okay, I guess. 28, okay, we need, okay, 28 because 55, okay, 55 here, we have 55 total, and now we can check, okay. 28 calculation is correct, I think would be 12, 28 plus 12, 30, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 55, okay, done. Now okay, at last, no, okay, here N of A is 70. Now here inside the box, finally we have, okay, only this part is only is left, okay. So total is 70. So let's see, okay, how many are there inside it. We have 10, 8 and 12. 12 plus 8 or 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So how much we need there, okay, as you know, 30. So 40, 40 plus 30, 70. So it's very simple calculation. So let's fill up 40 here, right? 40. So what you okay done. So we have filled up okay all things, right? Now total is n of u is okay. All right, n of u is 130. U is the set is, then cardinal number is 130. Okay, right? So total is here n of u. Okay, and of u we have okay, and of u we have is equal to 130. We have total, right? Number of okay members inside the u is number cardinal numbers of a u is 130. So let's see okay how many total okay we must have 130. So but okay inside okay so you can 12. So let's count okay, let's count. Here mm, here up here 70 because in a 70 is this plus this 70. So already we have done okay 70. Now you can do calculation okay. 70 28 plus 7 35. 70 plus 35 105. 105 I guess, yes. 70 70 105 105 plus 50 120. So 10 total is 130. So we have to here outside inside the rectangular box and outside the circles you can fill up okay 10, because now okay now you can count okay total okay total is equal to 130. This means okay our calculation is correct. And once again you can check okay. So how to check okay. So see okay n of a intersection b intersection a 8 and a intersection c 18. Okay. B intersection c 15. B intersection c 8 plus 7 15. This is B intersection c. The A intersection with this one this circular portion 12 plus 8 20. All right, done. Okay, n of c you can count now. So total 40. In n of b we have 55. In n of a 70. So it's all right. Okay, there is no problem. If you do check like this way, you will get definitely correctly this question, right? How to fill out. Now, okay, answer. Okay, what will be the answers of? Okay, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so I'm writing. Okay, here. Okay, right? I'm writing. Okay, here in question answer. Okay, so from the Venn diagram. Okay, we have to give the answers from the Venn diagram. So only this is the portion. Okay, so let me tell you, okay. Firstly, before writing, okay, this is the part, okay. 40 is only A, 28 is only B, 15 is only C because only C part, and this 12 is only A intersection B, 7 is only for B and C, 10 is exactly for A and C, right? So complement is out inside the circle, outside the circles, and inside your rectangular box, whatever we have is called your complement, okay, right? N of A union B, so you can read like this way: N of whole complement of A union B union C, right? Except union, you can say except union of sets A and B and C, right? So let's write on the answers, okay? I guess you have no problem here, okay? So I'm writing, okay, directly. So answer here, okay, 40. So 40, all right. And for only B, 28. So simultaneously, you can see the diagram 28 and only C 15. mm, 15 intersection B, only intersection B 12. Okay, only B intersection C, B intersection C 7, and here only intersection C, only A intersection C we have 10. So no doubt, and the complement also 10. Wow. So finally we have done this question. All right. So similarly we can you can do these type of questions yourself. Okay. For you I have taken questions and you can solve yourself. I'll provide questions for you and answers I'll give you in the okay on description box. Now I guess there is no problem. So okay, this one is done. So finally, okay, done. Okay, this question done. Okay, okay, all right. So I'll provide you the questions and and the solutions of the question also in description box, and you can check through the description box. We have very simple question. Okay, uh, now here you have a question. Now these are the question. So the following questions, I'll give you the hint. Okay, if n of a is 65, n of b is 50, n of c 35, n of a intersection b 25, n of b intersection c 20, n of a intersection c 15, n of a intersection b intersection c 5, and n of u is equal to 100. Find the value of this. Means n of a union b union c complement, means whole complement of a union b union c, also represent our information in Venn diagram. Just for this, use the formula. Okay. Um, to find out, okay, this, you can use the formula. Okay, let me write the, okay, no, use the formula of, okay, formula of this one. All right, so you can find out this. Okay, so okay, simply, okay, let me tell you the formula of n of u. Okay, enough you can find out, and you're gonna get okay very easily, and also represent the above information in a Venn diagram. So exactly same as I have done in example, in one example just now I have shown you. You can go through that. Okay, exactly in the same way you can do from there. And let's say the second question. Second question, if n of a is equal to 48, n of b is 51, n of c 40, n of a intersection b 11, n of b intersection c 10, and n of a intersection c 9, n of a intersection b intersection c is equal to 4, and n of u is equal to 120. Find the value of n of a union b union c and n of a union b union c whole complement. Also represent the above information in a Venn diagram. So if you have any problem, let me write down. Okay, for this, and same formula you can use. Okay, same thing. Okay, here also, okay, you can use the formula for, right, simply. Okay, use, okay, use the formula, right. So formula of, okay, so if you have a problem, you can see, you can use the formula of n of a union b union c. All right. So I guess you have no any problem. Okay, so you can do yourself. Uh, if you have any problem, you can tell me, and stay connected with my channel, and so give you and share to the students who need this video. Mm, Thanks for watching. So thanks for watching. Okay. Thanks for watching. And if you have any problem, please feel free. Let me know. And the answer of these questions I'll write down in discussion box. Okay. Thank you very much once again. Bye bye.